This lesson deals with the ability to insert links that will take you to other parts of your presentation while you're actually running your presentation, if you feel the need to do so without having to scroll through all the slides. So if you anticipate a need to go someplace else while you're running your presentation, you can set it up ahead of time with a basic hyperlink or with an action button, as we call it. So we'll start with a hyperlink. So let's say we're on slide 3 here, and we want to be able to go to the view, the actual survey results. So I'll select this text right here, and from here I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm looking for a hyperlink here. So I'm going to hyperlink, and we're not going to another file. However, you could go to another file. If you had a Word file or an Excel file that you wanted to go to, if somebody asked you to validate the numbers that you're talking about, you'd be able to set yourself up so that you can easily go there while you're running this presentation. Or you can say, I know that I'm going somewhere in this document, and the survey results are right here on slide 6, and then you simply hit OK. So now that's set. So while you're running your show, if you go to that and click on it, it'll actually bring you to slide 6 automatically. Simple hyperlink, same way they work in Word, Excel, on the internet. The other thing you can do is you can set up what they call action buttons. And I'll go to, let's say I'll go to the last slide. And let's say when you're done your presentation, you want it to go, you want to be able to go back to the first slide and let it sit right there. You would insert that like you would one of these, and actually if you pull, so I'm on the Home tab here, and if I pull this down, you've got all these action buttons here. Okay, so you've got back, previous, by one. You can say return to the beginning, go to the end. This is home, which is probably your first page. So you've got all kinds of different ones you can choose from, and I guess I'll choose this one here, and then I'll click and drag this in. So it's like a little hyperlink picture, and automatically this comes up and it's asking, where do you want to hyperlink to? And here I can say the first slide. I can also set it up so just by putting my mouse over it without actually having to click the mouse, it'll work. That's a new feature. So I can say, yeah, if I put my mouse over that, I want you to go to the first slide, and then OK. So again, this is when you're running your presentation. So if I go to View Presentation right now and I put my mouse just over top of that, it now brings me back to slide 1. So those are the two ways of easily setting up your presentation so that you're able to go to a different place on your presentation, or even someplace else, to another file. So you got your hyperlinks and you got your action buttons.